gathered around tonight to share fire as a healer and as a community builder. After 20 years, I've come to believe that the story of Burning Basket in Homer reads like a mythological tale. If it's September, it's time to build a big basket on the beach of Kachemak Bay, offer it as a gift to the community, and it will then meet its fiery conclusion. The theme this year is Create. Each year for 20 years, the basket has had a different name, and each year it asks us to examine that word and apply it to our lives. It's inviting all to participate by writing their names on the wings of an origami folded paper crane. Things that cause resistance to our creativity, that get in the way of us being our full creative nature. Write it down. Tuck it inside the basket.
Yeah, we're just here to celebrate the basket. This is at least my 20th. I love how it marks the passing of the season. It's always the end of summer, the beginning of fall, and yeah, it's a great event and a time to celebrate change. Almost every year it's raining this time of year, and then it almost every year, even if it's been raining all day, the rain will clear up right when the basket burns.
I just love the basket burning itself. I love the part where the sun falls and where the fireworks are starting. Yeah.
I hope it just happens for eternity, but just stays the same way that it is, just a sustainable community event that people participate in and celebrate together.
Yeah, I cannot add more. It's perfect as it is, and I hope it will just continue.
We found this one. He said that I had to matter, so.
If someone were to ask me why it is that I show up every year here in my community, it's fulfilling to me as an installation artist to be able to create to the scale, but it's the moment when the cars arrive in the parking lot and the people approach the installation with awe of its beauty, knowing that we're going to be letting go of this sculpture at its peak of beauty. It really heightens our awareness of the present moment. That brings me joy. The joy you feel when you have given a good gift. And we all know what that joy is, when you find the perfect gift. And this is my way of being able to share my gifts and my talents with my community and abroad. It really does reflect how it takes a village to create something meaningful like this. Let go of what was, accept what is, look forward to what will be.
Thanks for watching this episode of Indie Alaska from Alaska Public Media. Our work is only made possible by the generous support of our viewers. Consider supporting Indie Alaska by making a financial donation at the link below. Thank you.